Healthy Takeaway UK. Brits love takeaway food, but some dishes are healthier than others. Let's look at some of the choices Brits make. Chinese food. The first Chinese restaurant opened in London over 100 years ago. Now, Chinese food is one of the nation's favorite takeaways. Next time, try noodles with bean sprouts. This has very few calories compared to crispy duck pancakes or spring rolls. Indian food. British people love curries. They spend £250 million a year on them. And they usually order too much food. Why not share your chicken tikka masala with a friend? And make sure you order boiled rice, which has very little fat, rather than fried rice. Kebabs. Immigrants from Turkey and Cyprus brought kebabs to Britain. Now they're a favorite nighttime snack. But ask the owner just to put a bit of meat in the pita bread and fill it up with salad. What's your favorite takeaway? How could you make it healthier?